Daddy cannot believe we have this many stuffed things in this house.
Stuffed animals.
What have we just gotten through, girls?
Lice.
Tell the camera.
Lice.
And so we had to stuff these animals, and we have just a few stuffed animals. I don't know.
More pillows.
This is all pillows and blankets and things.
My pillow that I made.
Too much stuff. What is this?
More pillows.
More pillows and things.
Oh, and big giant things.
Oh, goodness. This is ridiculous.
Maybe this is why our house has felt a little bit more clean.
Cleaner. We didn't have all this
Less cluttered.
stuff. Oh my.
Build-A-Bear bag.
Oh my goodness. Are we finding anything that we recognize that we missed?
Yeah!
Oh dear. Oh my goodness.
Oh, there's some big ones.
Oh goodness. We ain't done yet. This looks like blankets. Blankets.
Yeah. And there's one bag that has winter stuffed animals that don't need to be gotten back out.
These are just pillows. It looks like. Pillows. How do I know which bag is the winter one?
When you open it, it'll have winter stuffed animals in it. Oh my goodness. What has happened to our den?
We had a clean den. Eden. Oh. Eden, who you have?
Eden, who is it? It's Mickey! Yay! Merry Christmas, everybody!
Merry Christmas all over again.
Aw, she keeps looking at him and talking to him.
Tell them all about your life that's been so different.
Yay, Lovey Bear!
More pillows. The lice have been suffocated.
Eden's like, happy day. Oh, no, those aren't winter ones. Those are important Rena ones. I'm sure we could find a few to get rid of, though, couldn't we?
Can we get rid of all these?
No, my head's
So this is the last one. This must be the winter one?
Probably winter and Valentine's, yeah.
Okay,
It's
so
my guess.
Alright, y'all should find your friends and take them back to their homes.
What do you say to the camera?
Thank you to the camera.
Just say you're
Never do
happy.
anything. Just say we're happy to have our friends back.
Oh, that's funny, Nessa. You're out of control.